Important Guidelines for Filing GST Annual Return GSTR9. Hi, welcome to our YouTube channel Tech Guide Tax. Well, to know about GSTR9 means and how to file GST Annual Return GSTR9. The entire process and the step-by-step instructions along with relevant screenshots are described in the user manual provided in GST portal. Hence, taxpayers are suggested to go through the user manual for the normal process. Apart from that, in case of any technical issue arising occasionally, it is suggested to raise the ticket or docket through the grievance redressal portal link provided in the GST portal. So here, we will know about some important guideline and steps to follow before filing the annual return GSTR9. First, download Form GSTR1, Form GSTR3B, Form GSTR9 Summary and Table 8A document to check for the financial year and prepare a comparison statement with your actual books of account. Second, get ready with list of HSN summary to be entered at least for all the B2B invoices in all GSTR1 filed during the financial year. Third, check for the total outward equal total payment through cash register plus total ITC adjusted should match with your actual books of account. Fourth, since system will auto-calculate and mention the amount under SL.No. 6A as total amount of input tax credit availed through the entire Form GSTR3B submitted during the financial year, that is the sum total of Table 4A of Form GSTR3B. Fifth, check for the amount of total ITC availed or adjusted, and the total amount of ITC available in GSTR2A/2B. 6. Further check and compare throughout GSTR3B, GSTR2A/2B and actual admissible ITC as per your books of account for the financial year to determine any excess amount of ITC availed or ITC to be lapsed. 7th, if all the computation/comparison done as stated above, then only proceed to enter data in the annual return for online submission. 8th, don't forget to mention the actual applicable and admissible ITC as per the books of account throughout SL.No. 6B, 2, 6H in Part III of the Annual Return Form GSTR9. And finally, since GSTR9 once filed cannot be revised, therefore check all the information entered carefully as per the guideline mentioned earlier and then file the annual return GSTR9. Note that, in case of excess ITC availed, taxpayers need to pay the due tax along with liable interest through DRC-03 voluntarily soon after filing GSTR9 to avoid further notices or demand in form of DRC-07 from the respective department. And avoids last date to file GSTR9 annual return. Always try to submit your applicable returns or annual return in due time or before last date. Thanks, and that's all about filing online annual return GSTR9. Thank you once again for watching this video. If you have any query regarding this, write us to our email ID techguide.box@gmail.com.